Welcome to the Workshop Insider channel, and today you will see some amazing techniques that will take you to another level of work. With the help of a regular stationary knife blade, you can easily make a wallpaper cutter that will help lay down the baseboard. The following technique may seem difficult to reproduce, but in fact everything is much simpler than it seems. You'll need a plastic container, for example. A canister may be suitable. Make incisions like so, to be able to open up and close it completely. Next, we need a thermal material. Just attach the canister to it and circle it. Then cut out this part. Great! Almost everything is ready. A little handwork and you should be able to do something like this. I'm sure you've already guessed what we're doing. Yes, this is a great replacement for a thermos bag, which you can easily make yourself. And with such simple design, you can always easily saw off an even bar without damaging the wood. Here's an easy way to connect a metal frame. For this, you just need to cut the edges correctly at 45 degrees and bend them, so you can easily overlap them and fix with rivets. How to easily mount the necessary fasteners in wood in such a way. It's very simple and very useful. The following tool will be very useful if you often work with wood. Thanks to properly connected wooden bars, you can easily make a faithful assistant. Look, we just fixed it and saw it. No more worrying that the saw will come off. Most likely, you often have to place some marks. Therefore, this tool is exactly right for you. Forget about the rulers, you don't need them anymore. If you repeat after me, you can easily and very reliably mount the thread into the wood. This is very useful at times. And you can easily make a metal brush like so, Write in the comments below which of those tips were the most useful for you, and see you in the next video. Bye!